Do you start sneezing the moment that season changes even though you're not sick? In Chinese medicine, this is a classic sign of inherited allergic constitution. It's a body constitution that's naturally more sensitive to your environment, your food, medication, and even weather. You may also get runny or stuffy nose for no reason, get itchy skin or rashes from just scratching, have asthma or shortness of breath in response to certain triggers, and have a lot of reactions to foods, medications, and supplements. If this sounds like you but you've never thought something deeper about it, comment below quiz. I'll send you a free quiz to help you understand more about what's going on underneath inside of your body.